SINOTRUK NX 8x4 right-hand drive dump truck is a heavy-duty workhorse for construction and mining. Powered by a 370 04 140 horsepower diesel engine, it delivers strong torque for tough terrains. The 8x4 drive layout ensures high stability and large load capacity with a reinforced chassis and heavy-duty axles for durability. The right-hand drive H77L cab offers comfort with ergonomic seats and reliable hydraulic system for fast dumping. Ideal for Guyana's rugged roads, it combines robust performance, easy maintenance, and cost efficiency.